I got commissioned to paint a mural. I have never done this before. Never. The biggest canvas I've painted is big, but it's not that big. Let me show you right now. This is the biggest canvas I have painted. And I really wanted to bring in some of the elements from this canvas, particularly like the nature mixed with beautiful neon colors. I think this is a little bit too busy for a mural, especially for the person I'm painting it for, but I do want to bring some of those, like, I don't know, dreamy, out of this world neon nature vibes. So I found some murals online that other people have painted that I will be drawing inspiration from and creating my own. This is set in the desert, so I'm going for a desert theme to kind of match the landscape. I'm really excited. So here I am at the drawing board. I'm gonna go ahead and sketch out my idea. I've already tried to sketch it out 2 other times and I'm just not liking where it's going. So this time will be the time. 3rd time's a charm, as they say. Let's go. There are multiple tries. I think I have the basic composition down. We're going like prickly pear cactus flowers, some big saguaros in the back. I want like a beautiful gradient sky into some purple cliffs. I'm planning on having more space than what this sketchbook allows. I just kind of want to get the basic elements laid out and the color palette laid out so I know exactly what paints I need when I go to the store. So, basic rough draft. I have sketched this a million times. Oh, and I ripped it, but hey, we're doing our best. We just arrived, ready to get started. We're just gonna lay white on this entire wall. This is what I'm painting. I literally just got here. I'm gonna jump right in. Start with a white base and go from there. Brush is taking way too long, so we got a roller. I'm taking a much needed rest before I add a little bit of the background elements. I'm trying to get this done as fast as possible while also making it look good and, you know, giving myself time and space in between to relax and have fun. So here's my break. Can't wait to see how this goes. The white was a little trickier than I thought. Oh, a bird. But we made it happen. I went to the paint store, I got the colors I needed. Cactuses aren't really going to be that blue, but I painted a little bit. Now I'm gonna get in the pool, swim before I get back into it. This has been so fun and so rewarding, and I'm so excited to see it finished.
Oh! Do you want me to go get it?
Yeah. Go ask them. Go ask them. Go. My reference photo just flew over the fence. It's windy and I need that. I fucking need that. Yeah, so that's fun. But I finished my swim. I'm now painting this side of the prickly pear cactuses. And I think I'm gonna call it a day after that because your girl's getting tired. Let's go. The sun is gone today, which is kind of nice because I did get burnt yesterday. I think I'm gonna work on getting the color laid in this cactus, possibly this one. It is Monday. My goal is to be done by Thursday. There's still a lot to do, so I think the more that I could do, the better. My body's starting to feel it, guys. Painting is hard work. Let's go. We are on day 4. I got a lot more done than I thought yesterday, which is wonderful. We are on track to make this a wonderful thing that's gonna be done on time. I'm gonna paint some more today. See how far we get. It's looking good. I'm starting to see the vision come to life. I'm so excited to finish it. It looks like rain, so I cleaned up, but guys, got so far today. It's like, it's coming together. I can see the vision becoming reality. It's amazing, but a lot of work. My body is feeling it. Buenos dias. I have my coffee. Can't find my tripod, so I guess I'm just gonna update you like this. I'm gonna start early before I do breakfast. I am so freaking close, y'all. So close. I'm gonna work a lot on these little prickly pears over here today, kind of getting those laid out. We'll see how far I get. Tomorrow is my last day to work on this project. I think I can do it. I'm really proud of my progress so far. Like, it just looks so beautiful, so good. So let's get to work. I did work for a second, but then I decided to get in the pool and swim around to some classical music, which was so freaking amazing. Great for my soul. I'm so happy I took this time for myself. final day of this beautiful masterpiece. I am almost completely finished. I want to brighten up some of the colors in these cactuses. They're looking a little bit muddy to me. And then also just outline the cactuses in black. Add some spikes on the prickly pears, and we're done. We're done. I'm hoping to work 2 hours max today. Might take a little more, but let's go. I'm done. I finished. This is it. Let me give you a better shot. Give me a second. That's it. Fully done. I just need to sign it. I was gonna sign in that bottom corner, but I don't want to cover those gorgeous flowers, so I might sign on that little wall next to it. I'll see how the people who I'm making this for feel about that, but this process has been amazing. I'm done. I'm getting my swimming suit on and jumping straight in the pool now. Let's go. The final detail, I'm going to sign in purple because I've just been loving that color lately. It's my first mural I've ever signed. Completed the mural, I want to talk about what I learned in the process because I learned a lot. First thing is, for the white base, I would have just used spray paint and spray painted the wall. I think that using the actual paint and the roller took so much extra time and labor that I really didn't need to spend doing that. The next thing I learned was that it is a lot of physical manual labor, a lot. You're gonna be stretching, you're gonna be moving your body in weird ways, contorting, and it's very important to give yourself enough time to rest, to take breaks. You're gonna get hungry. I was hungry like every 30 minutes throughout this entire process. So if you're doing this for somebody, bring a lot of snacks, bring like lunch and then another lunch and then even a third lunch possibly. I learned that it's important to take care of your body, and if something hurts, to do physical therapy. There are tons of great videos online from physical therapists that teach you how to heal areas of your body that are starting to cause you some pain. I've been doing some of those videos and it really helped me complete this process pain-free, which was wonderful. I was a little nervous about that. As an artist, I tend to use a lot of my wrists, of my shoulders, and just keeping yourself healthy is so freaking important, so you can do this for a long time. The final thing I learned, well actually I learned two more things. One of the things I learned is you don't have to pay so close attention to the details. Murals are meant to be viewed from far away. This one's like in the far corner of their yard. They're not ever going to be up close to it viewing it. All of the chairs are on the other side of the yard. The pool is, you know, you hang out on the opposite side of the pool. You don't have to focus so much on the details. You just have to lay down what's there and work with that. Step back and look at it often. from my reference photo to what I created here, there are some details that I added and there are definitely some details that I left out. So it's gonna be different than your reference photo. That's okay, that's okay. That's why you create it, that's why you work with the space, and you use your own intuition to continue to create what needs to be laid out here. The work reveals itself as you work. The final thing that I learned was I really loved doing this. It feels so freaking gratifying and I cannot wait to do another one. I'm just like, what's the next one? What's my next mural? Who's it gonna be for? Who wants to let me create for them? Where can I spread this and share my art so I can continue to do what I love and inspire more brightness and color in people's lives? I love you guys. Thank you for watching. This process has been amazing. I'm so happy I got to film it and bring you along the journey with me. Here's to all the art, magic, creativity, love, beauty, abundance. I'm sending it all your way. Goodbye.